everyone and welcome back to Learn to Enjoy channel. Hope you have subscribed the channel. If not, please do so. In today's video, we'll see how we can go for online free JMeter certification. So before going ahead, I'd like to show you my certificates. So here are some. So I have made a collage for my certificates from LinkedIn as well as from BlazeMeter. So I'll try to show how you can also achieve this with the help of LinkedIn and JMeter. And the certificates which I have got are available online and are free of cost. BlazeMeter University. So you can easily Google for a BlazeMeter University and you will land in this particular page. Here we have multiple courses. So for JMeter we have two courses, JMeter Introduction and JMeter Pro, and you can easily go through the certification process of this two courses. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to register yourself. So register, we'll have to click on the get started button, and once we click on get start button, we'll be redirected to a sign up page. So with the help of our email ID, we can register ourselves with a BlazeMeter Academy. After registration, we will receive a confirmation email. After that, we will be able to log in into the BlazeMeter Academy and we can access the courses as well. So with the help of your user ID and password, you will be able to log in successfully in this BlazeMeter University and the dashboard will look like this. So here we have multiple courses. So to access any of the course, we can directly go to the course, click on the course name, and will be redirected to the particular course. For JMeter Introduction, we have an option where with the help of which we can directly go for a certification if we want to skip its tutorial. So here the first content, JMeter Intro Waiver Exam. So without completing the tutorial, we can also go for the certification but for JMeter Pro course, we do not have such options where we can directly attempt for a certification. So we'll have to go through the content, and after completing the content, we'll be able to access the JMeter examination, and once we clear the examinations, we'll get a certificate. So we can get two certificates from BlazeMeter for JMeter Intro and JMeter Pro courses. Next is LinkedIn. So with the help of a LinkedIn Learning, we can also get some of the certificates, and that two are free. So LinkedIn is like where we have some subscription, but LinkedIn allow us for a 1 month free offer. So within a month we can go for a multiple certification from LinkedIn Learning, and here you can see there are multiple courses available. So not only for JMeter, you can go for any other tools or technology which you are interested in. Talking about JMeter performance and load testing, so directly go to the search bar and search for a JMeter performance and load testing. So once we'll search for it, we'll get into multiple courses. So you can select a course and you can go through the courses and earn certificates from LinkedIn. So I have completed this JMeter load and performance testing, and I am currently going through the courses of JMeter performance testing foundation. So I found this particular course very useful, so I would request everyone, so please go through these courses as well in LinkedIn Learning app. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel if video was informative, and also hit the bell icon for more updates. Feel free to drop suggestions in the comment box.